Workers can submit expenses in their Workspace tab on the platform. Here, they can submit an expense, and they will be prompted to input information about the expense and upload an image. Please note that EOR expenses will always require a receipt, while this can be set for other worker types to be optional. Once the expense is submitted, the approver will receive a notification to review it. They will be able to see all the information and choose to approve or deny. Finally, admins can simply submit adjustments at any time, either manually on the worker's profile or in bulk. To submit in bulk, admins can mass upload adjustments. Using this method, an adjustment can be added to a large volume of workers without having to add it one by one to each worker's profile. Simply download the CSV template, add the adjustments, and re-upload the CSV.